These are forest playing cards. They were printed at the U.S. Playing Card Company in partnership with OneTreePlanted.org and theOrbitBrown.com. Every deck sold will put 10 trees back into the environment, giving us a total of 25,000 new trees for the planet. TheOrbitBrown.com will take 0% of the profits. Our current CO2 levels are higher now than they have ever been in human history. Trees are our natural line of defense against CO2 buildup. So it's simple. Save the trees, save the planet.